Hey YouTube, this is Sharp and Shiny here with yet another unboxing or unpackaging from Provident. Now, if you watched an earlier video of mine, this was the deal from the OPM bars with the free shipping. Look at that invoice out of there. There you have it. OPM bar. 10 troy ounces. I mean, it's a generic bar. I mean, it's not my favorite. If you can see, the edges are pretty rough. But again, doesn't really matter. Nice mirror finish to it a little bit. But yeah, not my favorite bar, but who could turn down that? I think I paid $229. I'm sorry, it came up to 229 bucks. So that was basically $22.90 an ounce, and free shipping. You can't beat that. All right. All right, so there's that guy. And I wanted to thanks to Salivate Metal and Epic RV for showing off their bars. I plan on doing just that as well. Alright, so this is how all of my other bars are stored currently. Just a couple rubber bands around them. And I'll get them out of there for you guys. Alright guys, so here's all my bars. I got a 10 pack of Silvertown 1 ounce pieces. Got 4 OPM 1 ounce pieces. The Silvertown Prey bar. The Atmex 5 ouncer. 2 NTR 10 ounces. The OPM I just unpackaged, and 3 Silvertown 5 ounces. Alright guys, that's a total of 69 ounces for the bars. Thanks for checking out the video, and you guys have a great day.